let's see what gold is doing right now. Yeah, so we can bank half of the position. I'm going to double click that one. And take 25 lot out of the game and bank around $42,000. What's going on, guys? Check this one out. I got gold running, guys, and I told you all in the free chat that gold is going to move to the upside as soon as it dips into that zone over here, because yesterday we had that range. You can see that nice and clear. We had that range and many buyers had their stop over here under that double bottom. Price just slashed through it, took the stops out, and then moved up violently. So what I'm doing right now is I already got my position in profit, stop is in profit, but I'm looking for price to get up to that zone, because sellers have their stops here and price was violently moving down. Now it's going up. I'm in that move, and I'm sure many of our team members are in that move as well. I'm going to bank half of my position over here just to take some risk off the table, to bank some profits, and yeah, and then I'm looking for that thing to maybe slash through that zone over here, that resistance, and move to higher highs. Okay, this is what I'm aiming. So I'm going to let the rest of the position run for higher highs. And EuroJPY is still in the game as well. We have that nice looking downward trend. Already made a nice move. I already banked half of my position. The rest is running, and let's see what gold is doing right now. Yeah, so we can bank half of the position. I'm going to double click that one. And take 25 lot out of the game and bank around $42,000. And yeah, let's move the stop a little bit. Gold keeps pushing. It's on the way. Looks good. So yeah, let's see what the day got for us. We're already good in profit for today, around 110 grand, and we got 120,000 on the clock. That's 2%. Yeah, for now the week was great, and I hope yours as well. See you later. Have a good day.
Every time